Like, I spent all my money buying makeup in this country. I can't, like, pray for a sister.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty in your smile?
Hi guys, it's your girl Adama Kenneth, and in today's video you guys are going to be going makeup shopping with me. If you're coming to Dubai, or if you have a friend coming to Dubai, you can have them stop at the stores. I would link all of the stores that I shopped in the description box. And you get access to a lot of products, some more affordable than some, but at the end of the day everything is expensive because Naira at this point is the real MVP. Anyways, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Everyone that has subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Make sure you watch to the end of this video because I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video how I pack up for when I have a photo shoot, because I also had a photo shoot like in between. I hope you guys like this video.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty in your smile, why, baby, do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty? mind just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it. Why, baby? Do you look so pretty and your smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty and your smile, my, why, baby? Do you look so pretty and your smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty and your smile,
Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Subscribe if you haven't already at this point. Watch my other videos here, the tutorials, the very detailed, so like come your way.